Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Dinma here. If you're new, please subscribe and turn the bell icon on for future videos. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Today I'll be sharing with you the most potent anti-itch natural remedy and the most potent hair thickening mixture using just 3 natural ingredients. Please keep watching for some magic. Welcome back, guys. So my first ingredient is going to be fresh neem leaves. Guys, I have shared tons of videos in the past on neem leaves, fresh neem leaves, freshly plucked from the tree. Guys, these leaves are super potent and they are powerful, more potent than the powder. So if you can get your hands on the neem leaves, go ahead and use it and you won't regret it. I'm definitely not going to be talking a lot about neem leaves. I assume that most of you already know this, but if you're new to this channel, kindly check my description box for video links from the previous videos that I already shared. A lot of you came up with loads of feedbacks regarding neem leaves, so I'm going to be making use of this amount. This is about 2 handfuls of neem leaves. So my second ingredient is going to be moringa leaves, fresh moringa leaves, freshly plucked from moringa tree. If you can get your hands on moringa leaves, please go ahead and use them. They are super potent, more potent than the powder. Quote me anywhere. So I plucked this. I'm going to be using about 2 handfuls of that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that into the bowl containing the neem leaves. As the moringa queen, you already know that I have a lot of recipes on this channel on moringa, from moringa powder to moringa super hair growth oil to moringa spray to moringa juice to moringa drink. Guys, we have toured around this tree, and right about now we are exploring the moringa seeds. Guys, you need to check this video out. I don't know if that video will be up before this or is already, it will be up after this. I don't know, but try and check out that video. We're already exploring moringa seeds. Yes, moringa seeds can actually be beneficial to your hair growth. Moringa tree is fondly called the miracle tree, so you can never go wrong with miracle tree. This tree is packed with loads of benefits. From my previous video, you already know that this plant is blessed. Let me just put it that way. So this is a bowl of neem and moringa leaves. So I will go ahead and pour water in it just to rinse that thoroughly to remove impurities before we move over to the next step. So I'm going to rinse this thoroughly and then transfer them into my blender cup. I'm going to be blending the two. Do not forget the measurement. You can go high or low depending on hair density or length. So I'm going to be transferring this into my blender cup. This is about 4 handfuls of neem leaves and moringa leaves. So I'm going to transfer all of that into the cup, and then I'll show you the third ingredient. Please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed up to this point, please kindly hit that red subscribe button on your interface. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Thank you. So my next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. This aloe vera has already been rinsed to remove impurities. So I'm going to go ahead and then prep that and add to other of our ingredients by removing the spikes and the ends, which I won't be needing for this process. I'm going to be using a sizable leaf like so. I'm glad to let you know that this aloe vera was gotten from my flower vase, and I'm super excited and I'm proud of myself that I can grow a sizable aloe vera or big aloe vera like so. So I'm going to transfer that into my blender cup containing my neem leaves and moringa. So I'm going to be adding 100 ml worth of water. This is going to help me extract the juice and then for my blender to work perfectly. So I'm going to be showing you other processes. Unlike before, I'm going to be blending on camera today just for you all to see how this goes. You have to be patient to blend this into a very smooth paste just for you to extract the juice. So I'm going to be using a sieve, a cheesecloth, and a clear bowl to collect the juice. Now this is what the paste looks like, or paste or juice. I don't know what to call it right now, but this is what the grains looks like after blending. So I'll go ahead and then sieve that, extract the juice, because it's the juice that we are going to be needing. Guys, if you have itchy scalp, if you have dandruff, all scalp issues, psoriasis, name it, or you want your hair to thicken up, this is the remedy. Do not joke with this. So after sieving and squeezing out all that goodness, here is what the chaff looks like. I just want to show you. You can tell that I thoroughly squeezed the juice all out. So here is what we have in the bowl. This is our magic juice. This juice can thicken your hair if you're consistent with it. Use it on your wash days. You will be glad. You will run back to this channel and say thank you. This juice can help with itchy scalp. I told you that this juice can do just two things. It can help you with itchy scalp and also thicken your hair. You can even tell by the richness of this juice. This treatment can also serve as a detangler because it has some slip in it. I know most of you will ask, the reason why I poured it in this jar is because I'm not ready to use it yet. I'm about to run an errand, and once I return, I'll transfer it into my applicator bottle and then apply and show you all how this is used. You can use this on already washed hair. Shampoo your hair before use. I already transferred this into my applicator bottle, and guys, I'm still wearing my cornrows. This cornrow is about 3 weeks old, and I'm going to go ahead and concentrate this on my scalp at the same time on my hair strands, making sure that I use this to saturate my hair strands. And then I'm going to be covering this up with my shower cap or plastic bag to trap some heat, and I'll be leaving it in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour. Then I can rinse off with just water. Have you subscribed yet? Have you thumbs up this video? If your answer is no, kindly do this now because they mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Guys, you can use this treatment on your wash days. If your wash day is once a week, go ahead and use it. If your wash day is twice a month, why not? Go ahead and use this. If your wash day is once a month, go ahead and use this. But make sure you use this treatment after shampooing and deep conditioning. This serves as a strengthening treatment, which in turn thickens your hair. Guys, be consistent with it. I'm not sharing so many DIY so that you leave the one that is already working for you and jump to another. The reason why I share this is for you all to know that there are a lot of natural remedies, natural hair products that can benefit your hair. So what I'm trying to say here is that you cannot store this treatment. You can only make and use once. No need to store it. Thank you for watching. Bye.